welcome to Youth Capital TV. And today we are looking at digital marketing. Everybody's talking about digital marketing. So you're almost like asking, what is it about? Because it's like the boom, it's like the in thing of the day. I have one of my email channels that's every day I will receive updates on digital marketing, and they're asking me, come and do this, come and trend this, and people are earning money from digital marketing. So it brings a push for people to find out what digital marketing is. Welcome to Youth Capital TV and Wisdom King. Today we are considering this issue, and with me in the studio is Andy Terry.
Thanks for having me.
Good to have you, and always excited to have you here and to share our business content. And this channel is aimed to bring information on businesses, side hustles. You're having some hustles to maybe side your normal employment. We try to bring you some updates on what to do to make the hustles meaningful. And we also look at entrepreneurs' growth. So do well to subscribe to the channel for daily updates. The issue of digital marketing as a profession or as a work comes really strong in the 1990s, the early 1990s internet advent, whereby people can reach out to audience and try to look at how they can relate with the online audience as much as the physical audience. So what is it? Is it really different from a normal marketing from your own
Traditional
traditional marketing in this area? So,
Traditional marketing means you need to go out
one-on-one.
one-on-one.
Okay.
So introduce your product and try to convince people.
Okay.
Meanwhile, in digital marketing, all you need is just sample your product online.
Okay.
It can be on any of the social media.
Okay.
Some people prefer Facebook.
Okay.
YouTube is there, Instagram and Twitter and all that.
Okay.
So those are the
Avenues.
social media where
Avenues.
the
can-
platform where you can actually display your product. Yes,
Now-
and other people can connect from everywhere, all over the world.
It is considered actually digital marketing is a new approach, it's a new way by which companies approach consumers, approach their customers. So one of the things in digital marketing, in marketing generally, is understanding your consumer behaviors, how your customer interact with your product. So it becomes a challenge on how is it really like a real life situation. I think presently it is beginning to show out that the structure, the people that you are meeting, which is in a virtual audience, people that you are not seeing physically, are also as effective in affecting your market or sales as if it was a real life audience. That's why they boom. That's why people are moving into it. That's why people are buying into influencers that have 10 million odd followers, 5 million followers, 1 million followers, 500,000 followers. They are buying into what they are doing because it's like this is a real following.
Yes,
This is a real
unlike the same thing with the traditional marketing.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
the more people you know,
Okay.
the more product you can sell. You
Okay.
stand a chance to sell.
sell, yes,
Yeah,
stand a
you
chance to
stand a chance to sell, and
Okay.
more money you make.
More money you make.
Yeah.
So
You need to know people
Yeah.
for you to make money.
to make money. So now, how can you also benefit from this approach, from this digital marketing? So that is what you need to know in today's video. So one of the things that I perceive can help you in getting into earn money from this structure is become a content writer. Become a content writer. Actually, use like writing.
Just like somebody, you can own a blog.
You can own a
Blog
blog
on the
site.
internet.
You can be a blogger. You can have
Yes.
a content in which you
Then
publish.
you can actually manage it for someone.
You can manage your content for someone. You can
At the end of the day, you'll be paid.
you'll be paid. You'll be paid
Be paid.
to manage the content. The number two, or I'd say, is you can also earn money as an affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing. Now, this is taking someone's product
Product.
and promoting it to those people that are in a particular audience, maybe an audience of
You have enough
500,000
followers.
followers.
Yeah,
You can,
you know that you
they
have
can,
enough
yeah,
followers, so you can actually get a product somewhere,
okay,
and you sample it. Then people will now come reacting to your product as a requesting for the product. Then you now
you earn a commission.
sell
You
to
earn a
get a
commission.
commission, and
You earn a commission from that which you have, which you are selling out. Okay, and another one we have observed is that you can sell a consulting service to companies. You can sell a consulting service to companies. You can earn money by selling adverts. Like in the YouTube structure. If you're a YouTube content creator, what you are actually earning from is the advert. That's one of the avenues of earning, and not only on YouTube, even on blog. People publish
on
their
Facebook
adverts.
also.
Okay, on Facebook, or
Yeah.
people also publish their adverts on Facebook.
Yes.
So the commission that comes from those published adverts, you can become part
On
of
your
income
page.
on your page. Of course, it becomes part of your income. So you can also work as a social media manager. Terry had already mentioned
Yeah,
that you can work as a social media manager. You can come and manage someone's page,
just like managing my page.
Yes.
Then you can earn from there. So
Okay.
it's awesome.
You can also create your own digital products and sell. Maybe you are good in, for instance, FX market. You want to teach people how to do FX market like we do, because we teach FX market. You can promote that by creating a digital product and then uploading it on page. People will look at it and they will like say, I want to get this training. So they will buy that that information, those training sets, because there will be a little price will attach to it, and then as their buying income is rolling,
Becoming a YouTuber.
Yeah, YouTube
creator.
creator.
Yes.
Become a YouTube creator.
Meaning that you can own your own YouTube channel.
Yes.
So because there is no one like you.
There's no one like you. Definitely.
So you need your own content for the world to see.
There are about I think presently there are about 37 million YouTube channels presently. YouTube started in 1995. 2005.
Yes.
And then
It's 2005.
2005.
This is about 16 years.
It's about 16 years. And now
No.
with the first video,
And so many people have not even getting to the idea that YouTube exists, or they can actually make use of YouTube.
It was basically a website to upload videos. That was basically what it was. As of February 2005, it was designed as a company.
Even in Nigeria, the highest YouTuber
is I think Mackenzie Sofa in Africa.
Yes, Mackenzie.
About almost 7.something million subscribers. That's a following. Now people that are people can go in there, pay them for some adverts, and of course which they are earning from it. And because they
I will also give you an assignment. Go and check who was the first person that make a post on the YouTube.
Okay,
let that be as an assignment for you. So
all right, thank you so much.
When you get this answer, please drop it at the comment section. So let's discuss more.
Thank you very much for being part of this video today. We just feel and appreciate that you will enjoy it and you will like it. So subscribe to the channel, like and share our videos. Always good to be with you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.